What's going on, guys? It's Marcus here, and today we are going to unbox the new Apple Watch Series 6, and this is the 44mm version, okay? This is going to replace my current Series 2, okay? I bought this thing August 2017 when I first went to college, so it's a great thing for me to go ahead and upgrade to this, okay? So, it's a really nice box too. But I'm gonna go ahead and just peel this back a little bit. You know, Apple really makes this beautiful. I'll tell you that. And I guess I'll just shimmy this thing out. Oh, wait, hold on. Ooh. Yo, Apple with the presentations, man. I tell you, they did. Goodness gracious, look at this.
That's gorgeous.
Yeah. So there's the band right here. And there's the actual box right here that it comes with. So, let's start with the band. We're gonna put the watch to the side. Let's go with the band. I have big wrists, so I ordered the extra large size, so I hope it fits. So it's got the little green tabs right there. So we're just gonna peel this on down. And let's see. Alright, Apple is trolling me now. I think I did this wrong. There we go. Ooh. Okay. This is so much different from the Series 2 box, I tell you that. So it came with a medium large and a small to medium. Yeah, but I'm gonna just go with the biggest one. Just peel it up. This is small right here. And this is the large. That's a big difference right there. And then of course Apple got the instructions right there. Yeah. So let's move on to the main events. I'm gonna just throw all this to the side a little bit. The actual watch. This one you just pull out like that. Huh. So this is what $400 gets you. So I guess in earlier years it came with a nice suede material cover case, but this year Apple went with some kind of paper like material to kind of cut costs, which makes sense, you know, Apple. Crazy enough, this year they do not include the power brick in the box. That might be a precursor for the new iPhones this year where they have a power brick. So it literally just comes with the cord and that's it. It's the same generic Apple Watch cord. And then, of course, we go through the preliminary instruction booklets. Some other details like that. And then here's the back of it. So, you know, we just pluck in the file to the side. But let's get to the actual Apple Watch. And I'm just going to compare this to my Series 2. So I'm going to take this off real quick. As you can see, my Apple Watch has been through the dirt. I've taken good care of it, but it's got a little scratches on it. But this is actually going to my roommate who's behind the camera. He's taking this one from me. Yeah. I wanted a bigger Apple Watch this time because I've had the smaller version for like 3 years. So we're going to do a size comparison between the two. And then it just slides out like that, and look at that. Wow. Look at the back, the sensors on the back. This is a huge watch. And then you compare that to the past. Oh my gosh. That is big. And of course, it's the same color. I wanted the blue version, but they were out of stock when I bought it, so I just went with the black one. But let me just go ahead and throw on the band. Ooh, we'll see the color. Cool. This goes on the top. I'm right-handed, but I like to have my watches on my left hand, my left wrist. And so the back one slide in like that. Cool. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching this small unboxing for the Apple Watch Series 6, 44mm. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Look for further content on the Apple Watch and future videos. But that's it. Yeah, you guys have a great day.